Last summer I had a chance to fly to do a trip, and no, I really tried. I did my packing, I wanted more, to see new places, to open each door. It felt like a dream, the journey began, to meet my end and follow our plan. Travel is magic, you never quite know where you'll go next or the people you'll know. Eating ice cream by the sea so bright, drinking a milkshake late at night. Even if you lose your way, don't despair. I once lost my ticket, but help was there. We met at the airport, she waved from afar. We drove to a diner in her little car. I tried on new clothes, I wanted to find something special, a memory in mine. And there in the store, I once found a ring, a gift for a friend, a beautiful thing. We made friends in the city, we made our way. Perhaps tomorrow would be another great day. I wanted to buy shoes and I bought them fast, a memory to keep, a treasure